G'day everyone! Well, today I'm going to make another card, and I've got some slithered mirrored cardstock here in silver, and I have also got a heap of scrap paper which I'm going to cut up into 2 centimetre widths with my guillotine here. And with the scraps and the silver mirrored cardstock, I'm going to put a card together today, so nice and easy. And this card can be for any occasion. It also takes no time at all, and you don't need any fancy tools as well. So you can just use what you have on hand, and it takes no time at all. So this one took me probably all of 10 minutes to put together. So once you have covered the front of the card, you just need to go around the edge and just cut off all the excess off the card. Now I am going to mount this on a pre-made Kaisercraft cardstock that is already pre-scored. Now I do want to put a backing onto this card. You can do this, or you can just leave it plain. So I do have some card here that I'm just going to use to put on the back of this card. I'm also going to use some distress ink. Once again, you can actually skip this step, or you can actually put this on as well. I find putting on some distress ink round the back, and I think I used walnut stain for this, really does finish off the card and make it pop off the front of the card. Now I do have a Heroes Art stamp and die set here that is happy. I think I'm die cutting out, and I'm going to put birthday on the front, and this will actually finish off the front of the card. So this is probably the only thing. If you don't have a die, you can always print off happy birthday from your computer and stick that on the front of the card as well. So you don't need any fancy tools just to make a nice, easy, simple card. But today this stamp and die cut was sitting on my desk from a previous project, so I thought I would just actually put that on the front. Now I have put some washi tape just on the front because I do want to make sure that that is on straight, and I'm just going to put that aside. So I did use some glue just for the back, and once that glue's dry I can release that washi tape. So I've got a little birthday sentiment here, and I'm just going to stamp that just on some white cardstock here, because I will actually cut that out and place that under my happy die cut here. So just drying that off before cutting that out. Now I'm just going to peel off my washi tape here, and it peels off really well because it is a low tack tape. So, and I'm just going to just look at the placement of my birthday underneath, and I'll just cut that out, and I'll also put a little banner bit at the end as well. And I'm just going to pop that up on some foam squares, so that'll finish it off really nicely and pop off the card. Now I am adding just a small dot of glue just on the foam squares. This will give it a little bit of wiggle room as well if I need it. So I'm just going to put all this card together and just glue all my layers down. Now I did decide to use some Crystal Nouveau drops in black ebony, and just to finish off the card I thought it was just a little bit plain, but once again this card can be used for a male or female. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me your thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Until next time, happy crafting. See ya!